and we're having our small section. Do you see that it even brought it out by itself, right? Brought it out by itself. Okay, let's trim. Let's select our first boundary. And I think the boundary effect is creating multiple lines for us, right? But nonetheless, it does not affect anything. So I selected my boundary. Let's trim this out. And let's trim this out also to get our accurate roof. Okay, so now let's trim this out also. Okay, and then I think here also we are good to go. We're having this. Okay, so this is how our roof here is looking like for this left side view, right? Okay, so can I just go ahead and rehatch our design, see what we are dealing with here. Okay, we are good to go. Now let's rehatch it and let's give our board rehatching also. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Okay, and then our roof, and we are good to go. Okay, we should have trimmed this side here also. Let's trim it. Okay, and then let's go ahead and hatch out our roof, and then we are good to go. So now we are hatching our roof, right? Oh, why am I always making the same mistake? Okay, and then okay, and then we are done, right? Okay, so that's for the elevation. Now we don't need this anymore, right? We don't need this anymore since we've gotten what I need. Oh, let's still leave it. We might still need it for, we can't save, we might still need it for our section aspect also. But let's just move this off and bring it here. Right, let's arrange them. Oh my god. Okay, let's do like this. Let's arrange them perfectly. I'm trying to trace out the points, right? Okay, so now we're having something like this. Okay, now the stairs we said earlier on. Now this is our front view, right? Our approach view, and there is a stair here by this left side here, right? So we just need to create a small stairs here. Okay, let's quickly go ahead and do that. Now we'll just kind of create our line, right? Now we are having 4 stairs, right? And then we're having 4 number of stairs, right? And our width of thread, the measurement of our thread is 250, abi? We agree to use 250. So now I'll say 250 times 4, that's 1000, right? Okay, now 1000, all right. And then the height of our thread is giving us 150, abi? We're having 150. So let's go ahead, 150, right? 250, right? 150. If I'm not mistaken, should be having the same number of stairs, which is 4 numbers. That's 2, 150, right? 250, right? That's 3, right? 150, 4, and then this 250 should be ending it, right? Okay, and we are good to go. Okay, and let's just match this up. Let's reduce the thickness. I don't think it's needing any thickness here. Okay, what's going on? Ah, why is it not changing? Okay, let's just leave that. Don't let us waste time on that. Let's select it. Come here. Oh my god. Why is it not? Let's see something. It's not thick. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, I think that's changed already. So let's save that. I think that's the first correction that is needed there, right? Okay. Now, where else do we need correction? What else? Okay, this is my right side, right? Okay, which is this right side, right? Okay, from here now there will be a need for stairs here also, because from here now, once you are looking at the building from here, you'll be seeing these stairs here, right? Okay, so just go ahead and copy this. Instead of us recreating it, let's just copy and then paste it here. Okay, and you're good to go. But why is my wall thing here? Sorry, coming. Let's see that the line, here also, and then the line. They are thick now. Okay, okay, it's just misbehaving. I don't know why. Here also is misbehaving. See, that's it. I don't know why it chose to misbehave. Here it's still misbehaving. Okay, and then I think we are good. Right, we're good to go. Oh, where is this line here? Okay, let's just leave it. I think we are good to go. It does not affect anything. It's just a design. So now, the rear view now, let's assume you are looking at it from the back here. By our right side here, now we'll be having these stairs, right? Okay, let's just go ahead and copy this. Let's copy this. Then we'll mirror it to the other direction. So now let's mirror. And yes. Okay, now let's move. Now bringing it here, right? Okay, and then for my left side also similarly, if I'm looking at it here, my right side here will be having a stairs here, right? We're having the stairs there. Okay, let's just go ahead and copy this, paste it there. Okay, and I think we are good to go. Okay, I think, yeah, that's a nicely done job. Okay, let's just go ahead and group our work together, right? Let's go ahead and group them. So just come to group. Now let's select the first object, which is this, right? Enter. Same thing for this, right? Enter. Okay, group this. Now let's group this also. Enter. And then this also. And then we are good to go. That's a nicely done job. Okay, so what you just need to, let's just kind of arrange everything accordingly. Let's just arrange everything and make them nice. Okay, we're having this here, right? This is these are our elevations. Okay, let me just bring this out. Let me remove this from here. Let me bring this here. That's just like a rough work. Our main works should be around here. I'm just trying to arrange them nicely. Okay, so what's left for us now is just to create our sectioning, right? Okay, let's just move this also, just kind of. Okay, and let's save our work. Let's save. Okay, now we've been able to create the four elevations of our plan, and that will bring us to the end of this lesson for this aspect. In the next class, we'll see how we can create our sectioning for the building, right? For our plan. See how we can create our section for the plan, right? and then maybe by then we'll be rounding off our AutoCAD lesson. See you in the next class. Goodbye.